from his end because he's not able to connect from Kanpur. He'll join us later on as and when he becomes connected. In the meanwhile,
the Foundation Day is a special day to the entire university family, as it gives us a chance to reflect not only our beginnings,
but also its significant development since its inception.
And to brief you up with our journey, I hand over now the command to Professor Rahim Munshi.
The journey of 1,000 miles started with this momentous occasion on 25th September 2019. There is no stopping us now on our journey to establish the most innovative, forward-looking, futuristic private state university of Gujarat.
It won't be appropriate to say that it is just a beginning for us, because we had taken some substantial feats under the banner of ITM Universe, isn't it?
Absolutely. We have reached substantial heights in our journey, and now the time was ripe for us to explore newer and greater horizons, for which we needed greater autonomy in our functioning. And here we are celebrating our first Foundation Day. We started a number of new courses under the banner of ITM SLS Baroda University, which includes diploma courses in various engineering branches that includes automobile engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics engineering, and several BTech degrees, specifically computer science with specialization in artificial intelligence, cyber security and network, information technology, mechatronics engineering, along with the existing degrees of automobile and mechanical engineering. We've also started bachelor's in sciences in BSc in applied chemistry, applied mathematics, applied physics honors degrees, specifically MSc in industrial chemistry, architecture with bachelor's in design and interior, masters of architecture, sustainable architecture, master of planning, and of course the existing bachelor's of architecture. In pharmacy, we have B.Pharm, management, BBA honors. We had MBA, the existing course, computer applications, BCA honors.
The industries have widely appreciated the efforts of the university in producing employable engineers, managers, architects, and pharmacists. This trust has manifested itself in the form of MOUs with industries for training their experienced engineers for taking up with bigger responsibilities.
ITM SLS Baroda University has signed an MOU with L&T on 14 February 2020 for offering MTech design to its employees so that they can take up high-level responsibilities. And believe me, this is a big, big achievement because L&T does not enter into an MOU with just any campus, any other campus across India.
A similar MOU was signed with RPG RAChem on 31st January 2020 for offering diploma in engineering to their employees.
The university had signed similar MOUs with KAC and INOX CVA in the past. These MOUs go a long way in showing the faith that the industry has shown in ITM SLS Baroda University, and the industry academia interface of the university is gone to a different horizon altogether.
Absolutely. And there is also a substantial international flavor, if you see, in this university, as a number of top-notch international professors have been appointed in various departments and various schools of ITM SLS Baroda University. Not to forget the 50+ MOUs with foreign universities, which include NUS World Rank 12 and NTU World Rank 11.
There is an international lecture series named Dreams 2020, which is going to start from tomorrow and will continue for a week, in which renowned professors will deliver lectures on cutting-edge topics.
The teaching learning process in the new university will reach higher echelons of excellence through the world's most reliable LMS, Moodle, which has been implemented in our university and successfully implemented.
Moodle platform is used by the best universities around the globe, and believe me, the implementation of Moodle in this university is a massive achievement because it is going to improve the teaching learning processes significantly during the pandemic COVID-19.
Our students have made remarkable advances in their academics, projects, participation in national and international level competitions. Our alumnus have made us proud by working for reputed companies around the world.
The horizons of their achievements have been wide, which not just includes academics, but also breakthrough projects, research, sports, as well as cultural events. All the activities that they do, as well as training and mentoring they receive, results in placements. Well, This is just the beginning of a new and exciting journey.
This is a Tri-C electric vehicle developed by a final year automobile engineering student as a part of final year project. They got sponsorship from SSIP, Gujarat government.
Now, this is a very exciting project, an all-terrain vehicle which has been designed and assembled by the automobile and mechanical engineering students of ITM Baroda University. And what is amazing about that all-terrain vehicle is that the students have participated in a national level competition using that vehicle, and they received 9th rank across India, where a number of teams had participated from different universities around the world.
Lockdown, this word was applicable to everything else in the world.
Absolutely.
Except lockdown, this word fortunately is not applicable to the bursting ideas that our students are producing. During this pandemic, one of our students of EC department has developed a contactless water serving robot, which is a need of an hour.
Now, a very exciting project, a 3S bike, amazing, isn't it? Designed by the mechanical engineering students and with the support of the faculty members. And what's amazing about this project is that it has also been patented. Professors around the world go for patents, and it's amazing that our students are also going for patents.
One of our other students, as I said, during this pandemic period, they are coming with all innovative ideas. And one of our students has designed mechanical department. And here is one of our students, Sheikh Mohammed Samir from electrical engineering department. He has achieved 10 SPI in 8th SEM GTU examination in the year 2020. Massive achievement.
Okay, what makes us even more prouder is that our alumnus who passed out from ITM Baroda University are working with the best of MNCs around the world, with companies like Samsung in the Silicon Valley and Merchant Navy, with the Dutch company Anglo Eastern.
You know what happens when you have a robust infrastructure, experienced faculty, well-planned academic courses, and fun-filled campus life, and of course a very dedicated TAPSEL. Excellent placements are ought to be, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And these were our placements.
The students of School of Pharmacy are very creative. Their imagination, the level of knowledge they have is amazing. One of the students of School of Pharmacy, RGV Vedya, she, under the supervision of faculty members, have created a herbal hand sanitizer, which was distributed in the nearby villages, the government offices, and the bureaucrats. This is one small way in which we can give it back to the society, and our students are taking the lead. That's amazing for us. The same student has also won first prize in a poster making competition during the GUJCO sponsored national seminar on 27th and 28th September 2019.
This is the holistic development, isn't it?
Agreed. I can't agree anymore on this. Sharman Mehta, a student of BARC, has done us proud by winning the first prize in the Park El Decor Student Contest 2020, which is a national level inter-college architecture competition, Indian Design Symposium in New Delhi.
Other BARC students, Huzefa Taylor, Prakash Jamtani, and Krishna Dev presented their work in front of
an international panel of architects, which finished among the top 5 in IPSA Design Competition 2019. Parthiv Patel, a BARC student, won the 3rd prize in the pedestrian bridge designing competition.
Across the creek in the Biodiversity Park in the workshop recently organized by Institute of Town Planners India, GRC Surat. Students, these are some of our students of MBA who completed their hands-on project in Future Group and were awarded certificates in appreciation of their work.
Classical Sangeet event, a massive one, where the best of classical singers pan-India had participated. Now this event was planned and executed to perfection by the students of management. That's amazing, isn't it? Apart from event management, academics and projects, our students have got research in their blood, and they keep on scouting for opportunities around India where they can go and present their research in national international conferences. Like a paper was presented in an international conference in GTU by our students.
These are again our MBA students of our university who won the zonal round of AIMA Chanakya, a business simulation game in which teams from all over Gujarat had participated.
Sports, projects, innovation, creativity. Our students have it all. These are glimpses of our students who have participated in All India University competitions, sports events, national level events, and they've made us proud by winning various medals and trophies across national level events across India. They've also participated in the currently organized Vadodara Marathon, and they've won medals in that also. Amazing, isn't it?
Absolutely.
A team of electrical engineering department secured the first position in the zonal level GTU cricket tournament. And a student from the electrical engineering department, he was a winner in the district level Khel Mahakumbh basketball competition. At the university, we are coming up with a world-class professional level cricket ground, as well as a lawn tennis and meditation center at the university, which will be ready by March 2011. Now, these are glimpses of the meditation center that we are going to come up with.
Meditation center is in need of an art.
Absolutely, and this is the lawn tennis ground. It's amazing, isn't it? It looks like an international level ground.
Absolutely.
Now, that's again some of the glimpses of the meditation center that we have planned.
Now, continuing with the holistic development of our students, these are some of our students who are experiencing adventure at some exotic locations pan-India.
Students of ITMSLS Baroda University celebrate every moment. And these are some of the glimpses of the day celebrations in the university, which were completely vibrant. And this was a sight which should have been observed by everybody. And the journey has just begun.